Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Samsung Galaxy A23. First of all, find into your phone Xrecorder application, this one. It's standard application on this phone, so go into, then on the bottom right corner we got our settings, so tap it, and here from the list our settings find audio settings. Choose this option, and here we can change, for example, mute, microphone, internal audio, or internal audio and microphone. If we choose this option, we can customize our internal volume of internal audio or microphone. For example, if you want a microphone to 200%, go one more time, or maybe if you want a internal audio smaller. Okay, tap reset, and if you wanna, for example, only internal audio, choose this option and click back for saving it. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.